Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to share a super simple way to get a free $100 Nike promo code. This method is fast and straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Nike. Once you're on the site, the first step is to enter your email address. This is crucial because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so be sure to enter it correctly. I'm entering my email now so you can follow along and see exactly how it works. After entering your email, the next step is to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm selecting that option and clicking the Continue button. It's important to choose the correct device because the process might vary slightly depending on what you're using. The site will now start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the quickest ways to get $100 off your next Nike purchase. Now, your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step to complete. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so you don't have to worry about any charges. You can pick any 2 apps that are available, no need to choose the same ones I'm selecting. Sometimes, an app might not download or work properly, so if that happens, just select a third app as a backup. I'm downloading my second app now, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and run each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that comes up, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've run the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Nike promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that easy. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Nike promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.